our colleague Jenny to introduce our workshop, and you can see every different product, how to produce.
人影在哪里？
And this is our colleague Jenny.
Hi, I'm Jenny. I work for sales representative. I'm honored to introduce our workshop today. So I hope with my introduction you can know our company and our factory background better, and you can know how to our products came out. So let's go. The first sight in our eyes is SMT for workshop. Maybe you don't know what we will do in this workshop. So let's get in and know some process. When we receive mail first with our workers, the first thing our workers need to do is checking out the bird. Check out everything and every suffering bird looks good. If not, he do something to weld contents on the bird. Yes, the first thing we check by people, and also on the right we have a checking machine. Checking machine is checked by this machine every bird to more precisely. So on the right, we can see SMT machine. After checking, every bird is good. So next we need to weld some contents on the bird. Some very small electronic contents will mounted by this machine. These small contents, small contents like buttons. Now we are mounting buttons and the captain and the resistance mounted on the board by this machine. On the offset is another machine, also for SMT, also for electronic mounting. Some very small contents, like IC, and some capacitance resistance mounted in this workshop. Because every separate board has so many electronic components. For very small components, we need the machine to do that. It's also SMT machine. you can see this bare board without nothing. It's just a separate board but without electronic contents. So we need to mount it like this. Sorry, I don't know what this. Some electronics and accessories on this board. They are too small and it should be a very careful. It's a very careful job. Some small contents. Our worker is preparing contents with the machine. They are well-trained workers and also engineers. So after mounted some electronics, the circuit board is covered with the belt and came out from here. Yes, we just got a half semi finished circuit board with buttons, with chip, and with other very small components on this board. So the workshop, the SMT workshop is worked for remote controls, mainly for remote controls and the receiver module. But the product not finished yet because we have other components to weld on the board. So we come to this line, this assembly line. This assembly line we weld some other accessories like buttons, weld by hand, by workers by hand, one by one. Now our worker is welding antenna and a connector on the receiver board. Welding by hand